All right, so Pfizer is at $36.30 with a market cap of 202.49 billion. So in today's news, this news not only benefits shareholders, it also benefits people receiving the vaccine. So, Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine is 100% effective in adolescents. So, Pfizer did a study that consisted of 2,260 people, kids aged 12 to 15, and it showed 100% effective. And that is awesome. And why is that awesome? I mean, it's beneficial to the kids, but as a shareholder, this is awesome because if you're a parent, which vaccine are you going to want your kid to get? You're going to want your kid to get the Moderna, the J&J that isn't 100%, or are you going to want the 100% vaccine? And J&J and Moderna hasn't released their study yet. But if I had kids, there's no doubt I would ensure that they get the Pfizer vaccine. It's just common sense. You want your kid to be 100% effective or 90%. Nobody's going to take that risk as a parent. So I think that's awesome. This is great news, and I think this is just going to increase the amount of money that we make from this vaccine. And yeah, so stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.